Good morning, dear all students. Myself Mohammad Amir, and today I will teach you structure of atom. In structure of atom, first of all, we should know what exactly an atom is. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can exist. Atom is the building block of matter. Now we should know what is a metal. Metal is anything which occupies space and have mass. For example, this marker or this particular thing which you can see here have mass and it will occupy space. So this is called as a metal. Now, since we are going to talk about the structure of atom, so the structure of atom is, I am going to show one structure of atom that you can see here. This is the structure of atom. Here in this diagram, you can see that the positive charge spheres, the spheres which have red colors are electrons, and the spheres which have yellow colors are neutrons, and the spheres which have blue color are protons. This is the present structure of atom that we are studying today, but it does not look in history as it is today. For earlier models, we have to go back in 18th and 19th century. The first atomic model was given by Sir J.J. Thomson. It was given by Sir J.J. Thomson. Sir J.J. Thomson has given the first atomic model. His atomic model is very much similar to the watermelon. As you can see the watermelon, he said that the model of atom is a positive charge sphere in which electrons in the form of seeds are embedded inside it, as is shown here. You can see here the red part is positively charged protons and the black seeds are electrons here. His atom was failed because he could not explain the stability of an atom. Then one of his students, Sir Ernst Rutherford, has done one experiment which is called as alpha particle scattering experiment. First of all, we should know what is an alpha particle. As in diagram you can see about alpha particle. Alpha particle have charge double to that of protons. Right? Helium atoms are having alpha particles. So when in his alpha particle experiment, following are the things that he has taken to do his experiment. One screen, gold foil, and alpha particle experiment kit. In this experiment, three things he observed. Number one, empty space inside the atom. Number two, very hard material inside in the interior of the atom. Number three, positive charge in the interior of the atom. And he discovered a nucleus in this way. What were the observations of alpha particle experiment? Number one, when alpha particles strike the gold thin foil, then most of the alpha particles pass straight away, which shows that a lot of space inside the atom is empty. And some of the alpha particles got deflected by small angles and some got deflected by very large angles, which shows that the force of repulsion is present there and something very hard is present inside the atom, which is called as nucleus. This was the Rutherford atomic model. The drawback of Rutherford atomic model is this: he could not explain the stability of atom. What is the meaning of stability of an atom? Electrons are continuously revolving around the nucleus, as you can see here. Electrons are continuously revolving around the nucleus, but electrons are radiating energy, so electrons should follow nucleus, but this does not happen. So this drawback was corrected by Sir Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr said that when electrons are revolving around the nucleus in continuous motion, then electrons do not radiate energy because the size of electrons is very less, very small. Therefore, they do not radiate energy, and he could be able to explain the stability of an atom. And he also stated that atoms are revolving in stationary orbits. He has given us one formula which is 2n square, from which we can calculate the number of electrons revolving in a singular orbit. Right? So that's all about three models. So the present model is this. As you can see here, it has nucleus at its center. The constituents of nucleus are neutrons and protons. And around the nucleus, electrons are continuously moving in circular orbits. And nucleus is the center of those electrons. In particular orbits, the number of electrons that can revolve is fixed. This is the present structure of model that we are studying today. Right? Other terminologies that we have to remember are mass of electron, which is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and mass of proton is 1.67 multiplied 10 to the power minus 27 kg. And the charge on electrons and protons are equal and opposite, which is equal to 1.6 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. So that's all about structure of atom. Thank you and have a nice day.